Hey guys, welcome back to Kinder's Kitchen. If this is your first time stopping by, you are welcome. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and share the video with your friends. Ramadan Mubarak to all of you. I hope you all have a beautiful Ramadan and may Allah answer all our prayers. Today's recipe is made by here are all the ingredients. In here I got plain flour and then I got vegetable oil, red bell pepper, one potato, two small onions, and garlics, one carrot, one whole carrot, and then I got some potatoes, paprika, spices. I got paprika, and I got cumin seeds. I got some curry powder, curry leaf. I got some vegetable seasoning, some vegetable. You can use any seasoning of your favorite. And I got some salt and curry leaf. And the most important thing is the mince meat, and I'm using beef here. You can use lamb. I'm using beef. Now I'm just gonna go and start making the dough. In here I'm just gonna add salt. I will add salt and I will add mix it, then I will add a little bit salt, a little bit more, and then I will add oil, the vegetable oil, and then I will add water, and then I'm just gonna start mixing till the dough come together. And I will add more water. I'm just adding the water slowly. Add more water. It's quite dry. Now as you can see, the dough is coming together. I'm just gonna add oil and then start kneading the dough. The dough have to be soft. Just gonna work with the dough, and I add flour. If you feel like it's quite wet, just add flour. It's a bit sticky, and just add flour. Without flour, I just keep kneading the dough. As you can see, the dough is ready. I'm just gonna put it in the bowl and let the dough rest for half an hour. Then in the bowl, I'm just adding oil, a little bit of vegetable oil, and then I just put the dough, and then add a little bit of oil on top, and then I will cover it and let it rest for half an hour. Then while the dough is resting, so I'm just gonna move and start chopping the vegetables. Just chopping the potato and the onion. Here I'm just chopping the potatoes. Then I'm chopping the onion. Some small onions too. If you have big onion, one should be enough. And then I'm chopping the carrot. And then now the vegetables are nearly done. I'm just chopping the bell pepper now. Now I'm just chopping the bell pepper. And then I'm just gonna chop the onion and the garlic. Let's chop the garlic. And I'm chopping the potato, the garlic. Then now the vegetables are done. Now I'm just gonna go and start cooking the meat. I just add oil. I'm using vegetable oil here. Just add oil. And I'm just gonna start frying the meat. Then I'm adding the spices. I'm adding paprika, cumin, curry leaf, and then curry powder. And some vegetable seasoning. I'm just gonna fry it. I'm just gonna keep frying, and then I will add the vegetables. Just adding the onion, the garlic, and the carrots, bell pepper, all the veggies going in. And I'm just gonna start frying it. Right? Just gonna keep frying. And then I just add some salt. I add salt. Then I will add pepper too, black pepper. And I'm adding water. And I will cover it for 5 minutes. And then I will add some black pepper. Then after 5 minutes, I'm adding black pepper. And then I'm just gonna mix it and I will cover it, let it cook for another 10 minutes. And then after that, I will add flour, 1 tablespoon of flour and water, and I just mix it. And I'm just gonna add it there. It's make the meat pie very gravy, not like dry. If you don't add the flour, it's gonna be like quite dry. So the flour make it thick and you have nice meat pie. But if you don't add flour, like, or if you don't have flour, you can use corn flour. And I'm just gonna mix it for a couple of minutes, and you can see it's like it's nearly done. I'm just gonna let the flour cook. Just mix it. When you add the flour, you have to mix it properly. Then now it's done. Now I'm just gonna go and start making the meat pie. Now the dough is here. It's ready. As you can see, the dough is soft, very soft. And I'm just gonna make like little ball and just, or if you just gonna make a little ball and roll it. Oh, you can roll the whole dough. It's called. I'm just doing it like that. Just tiny little balls. It's quite easy for me. And then this is how I do it. So I'm just gonna add flour and then roll the dough using the rolling pin, just like that. And then I will add the meat, and then I'm just gonna close it with the fork, the edges, just like that. I'm using the fork, close the edges. This is how it look like. If you want the small one, you can do like small ones. I'm just making it quite big, little big. Or if you want to, you can add more filling. Like here, I will add more filling. You will see. I'm just gonna add more filling on this one. You can see and more filling. And I will close the edges. I just close the edges with my hand and I use that. This is how it looks like. I'm just gonna keep doing it. Just add the filling, use the fork, close the edges. I'll keep adding flour and then roll it. And then I just add the filling, just close the edges. Now I'm just gonna start frying the meat pie. I just add oil. I'm using vegetable oil here. Lots of oil, deep fry. Make sure your oil is not too hot. If the oil is too hot, the meat pie will brown outside. It's not cooked inside. No wonder. The temperature is very important. The temperature of the oil is very important. I'm just gonna flip them and let it cook. Now it's done. Now I'm just gonna take them out. I'm just gonna take them out. You see the color. This is the brown. That's why the temperature of the oil is very important. You don't have to. The oil don't have to be too hot. And this pastry is very crunchy. So I'm just gonna keep repeating the frying process. I'm just gonna fry all the meat pies. I just flip them. And just fried. I'm just gonna take them out. That one is done. That batch is done. So I'm just gonna keep frying. It's a lot. I made a lot, so I'm just gonna keep frying. As you can see, the meat pies are done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video.